Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw settlement funds using Paylinq easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your settlement funds using Paylinq, first, ensure you have your Paylinq account set up and verified. Log in to your Paylinq account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your account balance and recent transactions. Locate the withdraw option, typically found in the main menu or sidebar. Click on the withdraw option to proceed to the withdrawal section. Here, you will see different withdrawal methods available. Select your preferred method for withdrawing funds, such as bank transfer or another payment option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it does not exceed your available balance. If required, fill in any additional details pertaining to your chosen withdrawal method. Review your withdrawal request to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click the Submit or Withdraw button to process your request. You will receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Depending on your selected method, it may take several business days for the funds to reflect in your account. Keep an eye on your account for further updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, refer to Paylink's help section or reach out to their customer support for assistance. That concludes the process of withdrawing settlement funds using Paylinq. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.